Hello everybody, welcome back to a gloomy day here at Making It Up. I'm Isa, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am looking quite colorful. I have a thing on my hair. I dressed up for you guys basically because today we're doing a first impressions video. This is a full face of first impressions. Mostly everything on my face is new. I have never tried it before or just lightly dabbled, but not really. And this is how my face is looking. I love watching videos like this. I think they're a really fun way to just showcase new products without just hauling them. And I think it's really cool to see what people think about products when they first apply them versus after they've worn them for a long time, you know? So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I have a good mix of some drugstore, some high-end, and also some Korean makeup that I hauled a few weeks ago. I'm really excited to try all of them on camera for you. And I am talking as if I haven't tried them already because they're all on my face right now, but yeah, just really excited to make this video and I hope you guys love it. And if you guys want to know how I got this look and how these products performed on my face, then make sure to keep watching. Today I'm like not wearing any primer or anything on my eyes because I don't have anything new to try, and also I am trying this Stila Suede Shade liquid eyeshadow in the shade Enchanted Earth. It's this green color and I'm really intrigued. I recently bought it and I think it's gonna look super cool. So this is all we're gonna use on our eyes today as eyeshadow, and I'm really excited. So let's see. So this is exactly like their shimmery shades. The color I just felt, I don't know why, I'm really into. I'm not a green kind of a person, but we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna go in with this Deluxe Blending Fluff from Crown brushes, and I'm just gonna start blending this into my eye. I don't know the preferred method of application with this, so I'm just gonna wing it, and I'm just gonna do like a one shadow look. Okay, so this really dries fast, so you have to act very quickly. It's blending out really nicely. This is upon like the first application. This is like one layer of the product. I can definitely tell it's a little tacky still. It did dry down super quickly and I don't think it did the best job at blending. That might just be my blending brush, so I'm gonna try a different one and see if I get a different result just blending out the crease. But I really like it upon first application. It is very pigmented. It doesn't really look patchy except for the area of my crease. Let's see if it works with another blending brush. I'm not entirely sure if it worked. I think it looks a little better now. Like the crease looks a little bit more blended. Not 100%. I don't think you're gonna get that with this product. So here's the thing. This is a little bit tricky to work with. I'm not loving how it's looking. It's looking really patchy. I think as a base it works really nice, but I don't think you can use this just as your eyeshadow because it looks patchy and it doesn't really blend all that well. I definitely think you need help of a shadow, like a powder shadow. Okay, so I attempted to fix the eyeshadow with some wings and I think it looks a little nicer, but still, you know, not the greatest. Let me know if there's another way that you apply it that works for you, because the way I did not work for me. But anyways, right now I am moving on to mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. This is the one that bends. I bought this a while ago and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna try it today for you. Ooh. Whoa, is this in black? Yeah, this is in black brown. Fucked up, and I didn't buy the black one. Typical of me. The wand reminds me of the Bad Gal Bang, so let's try this out. The thing is kind of tripping me out. I don't like it. Okay, so this mascara reminds me a lot of the Bad Gal Bang. I think it gave my lashes a lot of length. Volume, not so much. It kind of did clump them up a little and it feels a little sticky. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to feel, but I mean, I like it. Not my favorite, to be honest with you. And the wand, the like bendy wand, is not for me. Okay, so mascara is on. I very messily put it on, but I like it. I think it's nice, as I was saying, compares to the Bad Gal Bang, like formula-wise, how it feels. I'm not sure if I love it. I like how my lashes look, it's just not the best they've looked, you know? I'll wait for the mascara to dry to take it off, but for now, I am moving on to the brows. I have the Glossier Brow Flick in brown right here. I've tried it a few times, but yeah, let's just keep on trying it. I think I really enjoy it, and I think it's gonna become like a really big part of my brow routine. I really love this because it's super easy to draw on just like little baby hairs, and it isn't super pigmented, so it gives me a lot of control, and it definitely lasts a long time from the times that I've tried it, so I'm into it. And those are the brows done. They look very defined, but they also look very natural, which is why I love brow flick, because you can create something super, super, you know, bold, but make it look natural. So yeah, I really, really enjoy that product, and I think it's gonna become a regular part of my collection. And now the eyes are pretty much done. Our fail of eyeshadow and mascara are pretty much done, and now we can move on to the face. We're moving on to the face. I have no new primer, so I've already, you know, just primed my skin with something I use every single day. And today we are trying the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. I have mine in 150. I've heard really great things about this. My mom really loves it. Jamie Page loves it. And I don't know, I'm ready to use it. So I'm gonna be applying this with a sponge because that's how I like to apply things, with sponges. So I'm gonna apply, I think, whoa, one pump is a lot of product. I think it's gonna be too much. It's gonna be too much for me. And I'm just gonna dot this. I don't know if it's gonna be a little too light. It might, because I got a little tan. Whoa, okay, this is really thick. Whoa, but it thins out really easily. Okay, so this is definitely not my shade. It's a little light for me right now, but I really like how it looks on my skin. I think it blended out really well, even though it's thick. I like the finish of it. It's natural, but it definitely like evened out the redness. Move on to concealer. I finally got the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I have mine in light 16, and I'm ready to use it. I've heard so many great things about it, so let's just go ahead and apply a little bit of this. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I'm gonna add just a little bit at first, and then we're gonna see how well it covers. I promise I don't look as ghostly in real life as I do on camera. I think it's just because of the lighting. It's like very reflective and it's making me look really white. But regarding the concealer, I really like it. I think it's a good medium coverage. It feels very nice under my eyes. It doesn't feel super heavy, but it definitely covers and it kind of sets itself, which I like. I enjoy it. I think I'm gonna have to wear this a lot more to see how it wears and stuff. But so far, upon first impressions, I think it's really nice. Let's move on. Powder. I have the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and unfortunately I didn't get my shade. I got shade 30, which is medium, and it is way too dark for me, especially how I look right now. Like, oh no, I think this would be a disaster. We might just try it. It's definitely gonna be too dark for me, but maybe this helps our situation. Okay, yeah, maybe. Wow, okay, so the powder actually like really helped me look a little bit more normal because it's obviously a lot darker than me. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use this all the time, but I think it worked wonders for today. I obviously cannot give you like a full review of this because I'm not gonna be setting my face like very like, you know, setting it. I just lightly ran the product through my face, but I think it did a good job. So hopefully I can get this in my shade soon and maybe try it out for real this time. I think it could be a really good product. I've heard a lot of great things about it and it's very inexpensive. So that was a fail, but it actually kind of helped us today. Thank you, Sephora powder, for being too dark. Now that I come to think of it, I might have just set myself up for failure because I am about to put some cream products on my face. Whatever, who cares? It is time for bronzer. I am gonna apply this thing that I bought in Korea, the Bling Cat Slim Up Shading Stick in the shade 1. I hauled this in my most recent video, or one of my most recent videos. I'll link it down below. And yeah, this is just a cream contour stick, and I'm gonna be applying this as a bronzer slash contour, and I'm using this stipple brush for that because I don't want to go in with the product. I think this could definitely be like a contour bronzer product because it isn't too cool or too warm. That is looking good. It doesn't look patchy at all. Moving on to blush, I have the Flower Blush Balm in Pinched. I have tried the blush balms before. I owned one and now I bought 3 more, so this is gonna be a first impressions of the color mostly because I already know I love this so much. I'm gonna apply this with my finger onto the cheeks. As expected, I really love it. You can't really tell that I put anything on because it is very light and the lighting is shit and my life is in shambles right now, but I did put on some blush on my cheeks right now. I think the color is really nice. It's very natural, definitely not something you want to use if you're looking to make yourself look very blushy. It's something for a more subdued blush look, but I'm into it. Last but not least, for the cheeks, I have the Glossier Play Highlighter Concentrate, the Night Shine in Pale Pearl. And I've heard really good things about this, so we're gonna put a little bit of this here and then blend it out. So yeah, this is an intense highlight. And it is so pretty. Whoa. Are you seeing this right now? I am in love. Okay, so it's safe to say that I really like this one. It is very tiny, but it's very powerful, and I love the highlight it gave me. I think, wow, completed the look. Last but not least, we have our lips, you guys, and I have a few products here. First, I bought the Pat McGrath Labs Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Done Undone. I've heard a lot of great things about the Pat McGrath lip pencil, so I just wanted to buy it. I'm gonna line my lips with this, and then I'll show you the options that we have for lipstick. And then on top of that, I'm thinking of applying the Too Cool for School Glossy Blaster Tint in, I don't know the name because it's in Korean, but yeah, it's kind of like a brownie shade. No. Okay, so change of plans, that is a little bit too crazy with the eyes. I'm just going to be applying the Glossier lip gloss in red because I don't have any other new lip products, and this is going to be a little bit easier to manage with the eyes. Glossier lip gloss is just always on point. Regarding the two lip products, I really enjoy the Pat McGrath Labs lip liner. I think it's really nice. It's a gel, which is kind of weird, but I really like the consistency and it feels very nice on my lips. It's creamy, it glides on easily, but it doesn't move around, so I'm all about that. And then for the Glossier lip gloss, I really love the original one. This one's just in red. It leaves a very slight tint, and I really like that. I think it's really nice. I think it goes nicely with the look, and I dig it. Okay guys, this is the finished look. This was a struggle, let me tell you. Let me zoom you guys out a little. It was a struggle, okay? The eyeshadow was a struggle. It didn't blend easily. It kind of got a little patchy and it's kind of separating a little here. Unfortunately, didn't love that. I love the color though, and I think it would work great as an eyeshadow base with something on top. Then the mascara, originally I didn't like it because it didn't give me enough volume. It was just kind of like a meh mascara, but I'm not hating it anymore. I think it's looking nice. It gave a lot of length to my lashes and it's holding the curl very well, which impresses me. Like, not my favorite mascara, but I think I'm growing to like it a little bit more. Brow Flick by Glossier, really love it. It's super easy and I think it makes my brows look very natural and put together, which is great. The foundation, I love it. I think it makes my skin look really good, but it's too light for me right now, unfortunately. It doesn't look as bad in person as it does on camera because of the lights and stuff, but I think it's gonna be good for an everyday base. And then the concealer as well, it's very nice. It isn't super full coverage, but it isn't super natural as well. All of the cheek products I liked a lot. All three of them were wins. Very natural though, except for the highlighter. The highlighter isn't as natural, but yeah, loved those. Oh, the powder, also a little bit too dark for me, unfortunately, but I didn't hate it. And then last but not least, the lip products were a total win. Okay, so that is the end of this video. We definitely struggled, as I already mentioned 75 times before, but I think pulled through in the end. I'm not hating how this is looking. And that is it for all the products that have recently come into my collection. If you guys have any new products that you want to try or that you've already been trying, let me know in the comments below and let me know what your experience with them has been. And if you've tried any other products that I just tried today, also let me know what you thought of them and how you managed the eyeshadow Stila thing. How did you do it? How did you work with it? Because I need to know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're into videos that are super easy and real and they're makeup and beauty based, and make sure to subscribe. I post one video a week every single weekend and I wouldn't want you guys to miss them. So make sure to subscribe if you are into this person right here. It's me. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I really appreciate you guys taking the time and watching it, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah. I have gloss all over my hands now.